Hello traders and welcome to this week's Market Outlook from XNES. I'm Michael Stark, Financial Content Leader, and here I'm going to be giving an idea for a trade over the next few days, the narratives that might drive the possible movement and what traders are where to take the position would need to be aware of in terms of news and data. Before that though, let's look back at last week's idea and see how that one did. Last week the idea was a possible buy for gold from above $3,300 with a target around $3,400. So far that idea is accurate, but it hasn't reached the target yet. So we'll continue to monitor that over the next few days. This week the idea is a possible buy for American light oil. We can see that the price has recently reached a significant new low of around 4 years and so far bounced fairly strongly from that area. So it's possible that the bounce might continue with an initial target around $60 to $61 and a stretch target possibly around $64 or maybe even higher. But remember that this as a counter trend trade is potentially risky. The primary narratives driving the possible movement up by American light oil are overall relatively strong job data from the USA compared to expectations and the generally relatively low likelihood of an immediate recession or immediate significant decline in demand for crude oil. We can also see that based on seasonality on average over the past 30 years, May is generally a month where the likelihood of gains is higher. This week, the critical data to be watched by traders is the Fed's meeting on Wednesday, where the Fed is very likely to hold rates but indicate a cut next month. And traders are also looking ahead on Friday to Chinese trade data. In summary, the idea this week is a possible buy for American light oil with a possible initial target around $60 to $61. Primary narratives driving the possible gains, buy oil at stronger job data and seasonality, and the main events to be watched by traders this week are the Fed's meeting and Chinese trade data. Please remember this is just an idea for a trade, it's not a signal, it's not a guarantee of success. You always need to do your own research and manage risk, and please remember it's just my personal opinion, it's not the opinion of XNES.